In this video, we'll guide you through how to prepare for a trip by downloading map sections and sharing these offline maps with contacts. Launch the XTRAK app on your smartphone. Tap the menu in the top left-hand corner of the Maps or Chat screen. From the menu, select My Maps. Select Offline Maps and search for the map area. Select the smallest map area that you need for the trip and tap Download. For smaller downloads, select Outdoor as the map style. Give the map a name and tap Save. The saved offline map will display in the list of offline maps. To share an offline map, tap the Share icon to the right of the offline map and then select the individual or group contacts to share with. Those contacts will receive notification and access to the map sent. You will find share suggestions as messages in the chat section of the XTRAK app. Look for new messages from